Nagios World Conference, it's going to be a great time, as it always is. Free drinks, free food, free knowledge. That's the part that I really like. Conference is for the fans, 100%. Nagios wouldn't exist without the people using it, so this is Ethan's way of giving back to those people, the supporters. The after-party stuff was awesome. They rolled out the arcade machines. And then, yeah, we just had beautiful weather, beautiful company. I just love how everybody is here with a purpose and a drive, and they all want to share their experiences using the software. You should attend because this is a great opportunity to meet like-minded individuals. Maybe there's something that you could learn here. And I feel like that's why everybody comes, because they want to see how the other guy's doing it so that they can take that knowledge back and implement those same strategies.